this section, I will teach you some of the advanced technique for research. Basically, this technique will help you to become more precise during research. Let's see this example. Suppose you want to do research on a topic marine revolution. So to get your desired result, type marine revolution in Google and press enter. Now look at your screen. We can see the link of some of the important websites regarding marine revolution. So this is Wikipedia page regarding marine revolution. This is the page of Royal Society, and these are some of the videos regarding marine revolution. This is again a link of a website regarding marine revolution. This is again a link. This is again a link regarding marine revolution. This is again link regarding marine revolution. So we can see this is a Wikipedia link. This is a website of an organization. This is a website. This is a website of an organization, and these two links are same, and these two links are again same. These two are regarding JSTOR, and these two are regarding ResearchGate. So we can say that these are some of the different links regarding marine revolution. Only two of the links are same, like these two are of the ResearchGate and these two are of the JSTOR, and all other links are of different website. Let's see another problem. Suppose you have to research on a topic called marine revolution from a particular website only. Then how will you do it? Let me tell you, you can do it using site colon only. Let me tell you about site colon. Site colon. Site colon is a kind of operator used to extract information on a topic from a particular website, country code, and top level domain. So how will you write your search query using site colon? So first type search query, then type site, then type colon, then type the domain name of that website. Remember, don't add a space after colon, and also don't write www or https after site colon. Let's see this example. Suppose you want to search for a company law on the website of nujs.edu. So let's open Google, then type company law, then give a space, then type site, then type colon, then type nujs.edu. Remember, here you don't need to type space or https or www.com, then press enter. You can see on your screen all the websites are of nujs only. You can see nujs.edu, 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 nujs.edu. After analyzing this example, we can see that all the pages of company law from the website of NUJS are appearing in your search result. Let me show you another example. Legal Tech, site, colon, stanford.edu. Then press enter. You can see this is the link of stanford.edu. Again, this is the link for stanford.edu, 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 stanford.edu. In this way, you can search for any information from a particular website. Let me show you another example. Suppose we want to research on the topic called Blue Revolution from the website of Department of Fisheries, Government of India. So to research for the exact word using Google, use double quote before and after your research query. This is the website of Department of Fisheries, Government of India. So let's see this example. Type Blue Revolution, then type site, then type colon, then type dof.gov, gov.in. So Blue Revolution is the research query and dof.gov.in is the website of Department of Fisheries, Government of India. Now to match for the exact word in our research query, use double quote before and after the research query. So I am adding double quote after and before the research query. Let's see. And then press enter. You can see the result on your screen. Let me show one by one. You can see the word blue revolution in the search query. Again you can see the word blue revolution in the search query. Again you can see the word blue revolution. Again you can see the word blue revolution. In this link the word blue revolution is not mentioned here. So I will show you later on. Here again the word blue revolution is mentioned. Again here it is mentioned. Again here it is mentioned. Again here it is mentioned. You can see the website Department of Fisheries, Government of India. Again this is Department of Fisheries, Government of India, 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 Department of Fisheries, Government of India. Now this link doesn't have Blue Revolution word in it. So click on the link to check it. We can see Nili Kranti. Nili Kranti is the word in Hindi for the word Blue Revolution in English. Let me translate it for you. So click English here so that it can be translated using Google Translate. Now you can see the word Blue Revolution in it. So this page also contains the word Blue Revolution. Click on back. If you click on any of these links, a web page will appear and it will have the word Blue Revolution in it. In this way, you can search for exact match using double quote and side colon from a particular website.